Peace, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to the channel. How y'all doing today? Today we're gonna take a look at the new G5 from NUU Mobile. I actually purchased this for around $158. They did have a phone that was called the G3 Plus, which is actually around the same price. They have to fix that because the older one is more than this one, but this is actually a lot cheaper than I expected. $158. I'm really expecting a lot from this device for the price. Now it's an entry-level budget device, and we're gonna go ahead and take a look at it right now. We're just gonna do the unboxing and then end the video with some photo samples. So if you want to see some photo samples, stay to the end. But let's go ahead, cut the box open and see what the G5 from NUU Mobile is all about right now. So the first thing you're greeted with is the packaging. It does say multi-lens photography, 6.5 55-inch notchless HD plus display. So you get the HD plus, that means it's 720, but you do get the 5,000 milliamp hour battery, 4 gigabytes of RAM, and 64 gigabytes of internal storage with this one. Now, as far as the chipset, you're going to be getting a 1.8 octa-core CPU. It does have a 16 megapixel, 8 megapixel, 2 megapixel, plus a 2 megapixel on the rear, 16 megapixel on the front, and then 4 gigabytes of RAM, the 4 gigabytes of internal storage. So let's go ahead, cut the box open, and oh, that's some strong plastic. Well, my knife I might have to sharpen my knife now. So right here you can see the box is nice. Let me just see. It's got like a layer here, which kind of looks cool. I cut this by accident. Let me just put that back. So let's see, how do you get this open? The phone kind of pops out right here, which is cool. So I'm guessing you have to slide this down, Ursa. Yeah, you slide that down. And then they're offering you a ultra mobile and limited text talk nationwide 4G LTE data plan for free, included in the box. So they're partnered with Ultra Mobile, free month of 5 gigabytes of LTE. Let's go ahead and pop this baby up. And okay, so now we have the G5 right here, and inside that thing, just in case you were wondering, it does have everything that you need to get started with this Metro carrier, this mobile service. So let's go ahead and bow. We have the phone right here. Let's put this right here. Let's see what else comes in the box. Okay, so we have the SIM ejector tool. We have we need help. This is where you can get some help right here. Put that off to the side. You do get your new your troll stickers right here. You do get your setup guide right here. Let's put that off to the side. And okay, there's a case in here with some goodies. So let's take a look at this. All right, we're gonna put this off to the side. Okay, so this case is indeed a smoky gray clear TPU case, jelly case. Pretty stiff. We're gonna put this on the phone and check it out in a little bit more detail. Now, as far as the phone itself, let's go ahead and peel open this. Okay, so that is off, and you can see the back of it has the quad camera setup. You can see the lenses right there, fingerprint sensor dead center. You get your volume rocker up top, power button below, a Type-C port, headphone jack down below, microphone speaker here at the top. There's no noise cancellation microphone, punch hole cutout on this one. Let's go ahead, give this thing some juice right now. Okay, there we go. Powered by NUU Mobile, powered by Android. NUU Mobile right here. I was trying to say new, but I thought I was saying blue. Get those mixed up from time to time. Let's go ahead and take a look at right here we get some earbuds which look identical to which we would see on the Apple product. They did a really good job of how they did it this time. These look really quality as far as the way that they did it. These are really cool. And then it even has like the new tag on here. But those, you know, those look just like the Apple ones. And then we do get the power brick right here. Now this is a 5-volt brick as well. Let's go ahead and click start on here. You do get the Type-C cord as well. And that's about it for the contents. Let's go ahead and get the phone started right here. So it says you can use the phone now. There is a screen protector on the front. On the rear, we do have 4 cameras plus a flash. So you could just kind of see those right now for your own appreciation. 16, 8, 2, and 2. And that camera arrangement looks pretty cool. On the other side, we do have your SIM remover tool. You would use this tool that they gave you and just put it in that hole. About the build in the hand, feel in the hand, has a really good feel in the hand. They're making these phones with a really large display. They're getting really tall and more narrow. Now, let me see, don't copy. Let me see, checking. So it's checking info on the phone. It has a nice feel in the hand, although it's all plastic. It does have that glossy back, but I do like the shimmer on the back of here. It's designed really nicely. They did a really good job of designing it. You can see right here, it looks really premium. It's asking me to put my Google info in here. We're gonna go ahead and skip that for now. It says, let me see, skip. But I'm gonna actually set up this phone and then go ahead and take some pictures as well. But let me just show you the how it looks on the display. So it's telling me I have to put a fingerprint in here, well, a pattern. So I just put a pin in here. Now it's saying to enter my fingerprint. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. So it says touch the back of the phone right now. Here we go. It's a nice vibration on the back to let you know that you're registering the finger each time you press it. So that's pretty cool. I'm almost done. And then you can add another finger to make it more accurate on the same one, or you could add another finger on a different hand. I'm gonna do it with my right just in case I grab the phone with a different hand. I can still unlock it with that hand if I have something in that hand. And then you can add as many, like up to 4, I think, of the same finger. Okay, so this is just about done. I'm gonna show you the interface of the phone, and it should be pretty clean, pretty what we see normally. So you can see that screen looks absolutely gorgeous. Let me go into the camera and show you. We have Super HD. We also have wide angle mode right here, as I can see right here. So it gives you the option for a wider perspective on the photo. Video, we also do have a nice video option here. HDR, night mode as well. Pro mode for the photos and more right here. So you have slow motion macro as well. So these are some cool features on the camera. Let me just take a portrait and something like that. Let's take a picture of this plant as well. Put this here. Let me put the portrait mode on so it has like a effect in the background. All right, so that is the picture of my face that I just took, and that came out really good. There's some pretty decent edge detection, especially since it's pretty dark in here. Let me see if you can see that, but I'm gonna put it up on the screen and then just go outside and take some pictures. Now let's take a picture of this plant really quickly. Okay, so that plant right here looks really good as well, and it even gives you the water drop. Wow, that looks really good detail. Holy cow. Okay, let's go outside and take some pictures, but
right now.
I'll see you guys on the next video. It's your boy Serrano. Thank you for watching the unboxing of the new G5, and I'll see you guys later. Enjoy these images. Later, crew. Peace.